A billion persons are going to suffer from climate change before the end of the century. And it's clearly established that most of the global warming is produced by humankind. Government have invested hundreds of billions of dollars trying to reduce the greenhouse gas emission. They have not even succeeded with that to stop the increasement. And we are very far from any kind of international agreement. There's too much money involved. There is only one solution to change the mix, the raw mix of energy, and to make it more greener. It's green energy cheaper than gas, oil, and coal. And this is what Windoo is all about. Wind is free. So if you want to calculate the cost of wind energy, you have to put all the costs of the operation cost of wind farm and divide it by the energy produced within a year. So if you can succeed to reduce the operation cost by half with the same production of energy, you have half price energy. Or on the other hand, if you, with the same cost of operation, you can produce twice the energy, you're gonna have half price electricity cost per kilowatt. Now, if you do both, it's quarter. So we pass from 8 cents about, which is a standard price now for wind electricity production, to 2 cents. What Windoo gonna offer is not that simple, but it's the same principle. Our solution is based on patent registered by Mr. Darius 90 years ago. It's not a revolution. There's hundreds of models of Darius wind turbine that was offered on the market, except that most of them are very inefficient because they have not been engineered properly. They have not been set within a business model of operation that is viable. Windoo wind turbine is engineering design. It's been optimized with computer simulation. It's been improved with field test. Optimization is the most important word to understand. We start with something, we remove what is weak, we enhance what is strong, and we make a little better, a little better, a little better. And if we can do that, reducing the cost, we can end with a good product. That's what we have done. And there's few advantages above that, above the price of the Windoo product. For example, when we install that in cultivated land, we don't use a square meter of cultivated ground. The fact that a wind turbine has about the size of a tree, you won't notice them at 300 or 400 meters of them, and you won't be bothered by noise. First, because it's make almost no noise, and 300-400 meters for an engine of that size, you won't hear anything. Regarding business model, we have also a good part of our business plan that is focused on energy autonomy, which means we're going to have corporation to produce, or small village to produce their own energy instead of purchase it at retail price. I think it's easy to understand that nobody in the energy industry wants to see electricity at 2 cents per kilowatt hour. It's going to change completely the market. And Windoo needs support outside this market, and before we can access investors that are not involved in the energy industry, we have to be able to show, we have to be able to make some wind turbine show the profitability, and then the thing's going to roll easily. But we have to start somewhere. That's why we need your support. Thank you.